Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video NBA Live Mobile, and today I'm gonna spend all my coins on pack opening. So yeah, so if you guys know, I'm giving a giveaway of 1 million NBA Live coins, so be sure to check out the video that I make about it to have more details on how to join the giveaway. So I'll leave it down in the description so you can go check the video out to take part in my giveaway 1 million coin. Today I'm just gonna spend all my coins on pro packs. Until the next week I'll buy another 1 mil for you guys. So yeah, let's go. First pack, let's see what we're gonna get. Derrick Rose, no good. Jordan Clarkson, that shit. Alright, let's go. Reggie Jackson, I'm sorry. Let's go. Nothing good at all. Come on, let's get an elite, man. Oh my god. The Alex Len. Go, Kristaps Porzingis. That's not bad at all. Alright. Oh, go Giannis into. Alright, that's not bad. Got an impact card. We are not getting any good players today. Gordon Hayward, alright. That's a good pack. No win, no lose. That's good. I hate this kind of trolls. Alright, sorry. Still 100k left to go. Kevin Butler, let's go. That is good. That is a good card. Reggie Jackson. Why is saying Jackson? Oh my god. Reggie Jackson. Oh my. Jackson. Alright. Oh my god. What a backpack opening. Oh my god, we got nothing. Oh my god. I'm fixed. Alright, so let's go. Okay, Gordon Hayward. I didn't see. Oh no. Come on, give me elite. Oh my goodness. Alan Krabby, alright. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Harrison Barnes. Tony Parker. Oh my god. John Liu, alright. So we're down to our last few packs, so let's hope we can clutch this out. No, we don't. Alright, second last pack. Let's hope we can clutch it out. Dwayne Wade. Alright. Last pack. Last pack open. Please. Be something good. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh my god. This is the worst pack opening. Oh my goodness, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys my team, if you guys are wondering. So this is my team. Oh fuck off with it. Alright, this is my team right now. It's only okay, it's a bit good only, it's not so good. And I recommend you guys buy this Blake Griffin. He gives a plus, wait, he gives a +3 defensive boost, right? Yeah. So you see my nickel, no, +5, because +2 defense here and +3 here, so everyone here gets a +5 in defense, so that is really good. And yeah, so you recommend you buy this Blake Griffin. Your defensive lineup really works a lot. It's only go for about 200k, and KD too. You check out my previous video, he worth a lot of coins. Good stats here. He may be stats of low 88 shooting, but he shoots like a 90+ rated, so yeah. Alright, this is the end of the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. What a worst pack opening, and if you want to take part in my giveaway, be sure to check the video in the description. There will be more details about it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.